Hello friends, what's up? Thank you so much for watching Circuits Bazaar. So today we are going to study the project GSM based underground cable fault detector. So in this project we are going to detect the fault location, at how much kilometer fault is there. So in the lines, like we have three lines over here, red, yellow and blue. These are the three lines in which we will find the fault. So basically whenever the fault happens, then the resistance will change and hence the voltage will change. So that is the concept. We will read that voltage and accordingly we will decide at how much kilometer fault is there, right? So this is the display on which fault will come, and this is GSM modem power supply. This is GSM modem. This GSM modem will send the message at what kilometer fault is there in red, yellow and blue line. And this module is working on 5 volt. That's why we have used 7805 over here separately. And this is heat sink, because as you know that 7805 get heat whenever you provide high voltage, like 12 volt is coming and 5 volt is the output. So 7 volt will be dissipated in the environment, right, through heat. And this is the button. So whenever you will press this button, then immediately it will send a message to the authority that at how much kilometer fault is there. If there is no fault, even then that message will be sent. Like whenever you will press, if there is no fault, then no fault message will be sent. But if there is fault in any of the three line, whether it's red line, yellow line or blue line, then fault will be sent, right? Now this is the Arduino, which is basically processing this line fault. So the variable voltage will come to the Arduino analog to digital converter channel, and then it will read that voltage and accordingly will decide at how much kilometer fault is there. So basically we have set these switches to change the resistance so that we can show the working of underground cable fault detector, right? So these are the toggle switch. So 2 kilometer, 4 kilometer, 6 kilometer and 8 kilometer is the fault. And if you want to put the fault, then you have to keep these toggles in this direction. So initially I will keep all the toggles in this direction, so there is no fault, right? F is written over here with arrow. So if you want to put fault in red line like this, so fault will be at 6 kilometer. And if you will do like this, so fault will be in yellow line at 4 kilometer. And if you will do this, then it means fault will be in the blue line at 8 kilometer, right? Everything okay? Now this is the relay module, relay board. This relay board is switching the red, yellow and blue line voltage so that we can read. At a time microcontroller is reading one channel, so it will first change the analog to digital converter channel to red line, then to yellow line, then to blue line, so that it can read the fault location, right? Now I am going to show you the live working. So this is the adapter which we are going to use in our project. So the output of this adapter is 12 volt. This 12 volt output is given to this Arduino, and through Arduino it is supplied to the complete circuit, right? Now I am inserting this over here, right? Now you can see red line fault, no fault, yellow no fault and blue no fault. There is no fault, okay? And this is the mobile. The SIM number of this mobile phone I have fed in the programming. So message will come over here whenever I will press this button after the complete turn. Like for example, if red, there is no fault, and if you will press this button, nothing will happen, because after the complete turn it will send message to you, right? Now for example, I am going to press this button. First of all, you have to look toward this LED. So this LED is blinking very slowly. It means network is cached by this GSM modem. If this LED is blinking fast, then it means there is no network, right? And you have to insert the SIM which have balance so that it can send message to the authority, right? Now if I'll press this now if I'll press this button, then message will come on my mobile. So this is the message which I got. And what message I got? I got message